everybody, I just finished opening box 1 of this, and as you know, if you watched that video, I wasn't sure if it was a hot box or not. I thought, my first instinct was to run over to the computer and find out, and I thought, you know what, no, let's just open this other box, and just see. I'll know then. So, if these packs are as loaded as those, then I have my answer. Either way, this stuff is pretty good in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about it if you watched that last break or other breaks of from other guys and gals. To me personally, this was a lot of fun to open this stuff. Wow. If I was going to rebuy something right now, it would be Donruss or this. I mean, not Donruss. Bowman or this. The only problem I saw in that video, if you didn't watch it, is that some of the packs were not sealed. The glue or the heat might not have been hot enough to seal the glue. The cards weren't like hanging out of the packs though. Let's see if this is... Yeah, same here. Look at that. I mean, the cards aren't falling off out of the pack, but still, that's not cool. There will probably be problems with this down the line too. People are going to buy these and maybe think the seller somehow ripped them off and resealed it or whatever. That's a little bit problematic. Anyways, if you didn't watch the other video or haven't watched any of the others, there are 12 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, 3 autos. And so let's see. Was the other a hot? Oh. Okay. The other was definitely a hot box. I have my answer now. Alright, Yarbrough, DeGrom, Wendell, Allard, Valdez, Kluber, Joey Votto, Red, Machines, Mike Trout, David Ortiz to 60, like a wave. Yeah, the other one was just absolutely loaded. Borucki, Keller, and Dean rookies. Nothing like this. That was absolutely a hot box. So that was fun. I knew it was tons of fun to open. Tons. I guess I better go back and add something to the end of that to tell everybody that you don't have to tell me. I know. Alright. Trinan, Lester, Turner, Miles Straw. Okay, this is the first problem I've seen with production. Can you see that on there, all of this? I was bragging on the last box. I didn't see any problems really in that one, but this is a little bit messy. Chris Bryant, another one with a problem on the bottom. That is not wiping off. Flaherty, Walker Buehler, Scorching, Charlie Blackmon, Bogarts, Chapman, A-Rod. Yeah, I wished I'd opened this one first, because going from the hot box down to this is a little disappointing. I was bragging about that box like I'm fooled too, because I just thought it was everything, and it was, but now that I'm opening this one, I'm like, it's not nearly as fun. Minor, Williams, Kyle Wright. First autograph is Borucki, the rookie Prizm auto, hollow auto, whatever, silver, whatever you want to call it. Blue, Michael Perez. Lumber Ink, JD Martinez. Scooter Gennett, blue to $3.99. Shaw, Rodon, and Cole Stewart rookie. Merrifield, Archer, Jansen, Molina, Nemo, Marza, Red, Cedric Mullins rookie, Mookie Betts, numbers game. Oh sweet, a blue Frank Thomas. Trevor Story, Jose Martinez, DJ Stewart. Lindor, Gallo, Meadows, Wilson, Taylor, Mike Trout, Fireworks. I knew this was going to look good in hollow version. That is a sweet card. Scooter again, making an appearance in red. Ozzy Albies Instant Impact, a Walker Buehler Disco Bubbles to $1.99. Tyler O'Neill again with a quality control problem. Oh, right after I bragged on you, Panini, you dropped the ball. I just finished bragging on you. That first box is clean as a whistle, and this one is beat to hick and back. Williams, Herrera, Peralta, Hudson rookie, Smoke, Davis, Chris Sale, Hollow, Scorching, Jose Ramirez, Hunter Renfroe, Green Disco, Garrett Cole, Walker Buehler, and Dwayne Underwood rookie. Since the first box was a hot box, I'm getting a lot more base cards this time around, which is probably why I'm more prone this time around to noticing production problems. There's just more base cards in general. Springer, Wisdom rookie, JD Martinez, Arena, Justice Sheffield rookie, a Reese Hoskins autograph. I'll take that. I like Reese Hoskins. That looks good. Not numbered or anything, but it still looks good. Justin Turner, blue to nothing. I thought this was numbered. I'm wrong. Altuve, Stargazing, and a Jalen Beeks rookie to 75. I should remember that one. Haniger, Flaherty, and Messenger rookie. Malik Smith, Jeffries. Now a lot of this stuff is just going to wipe off all this little cut dust. It's the other stuff that's the real problem. De Leon rookie, Reese McGuire rookie, Kevin Newman rookie, De Los Santos rookie, Guerrera red rookie, Brilliance, Max Scherzer, Adames, Hernandez, Garrett Hampson, Austin Wynns rookie. Alright, Cave, Mancini, Severino, Benintendi, Pilar, a Patrick Wisdom autograph. Not bad. I'm pretty pleased with my 3 autographs. Pollock red, Illumination Kershaw, Hunter Renfroe wave, Stanton, Alcantara, and Scott Barlow. Alright, Barria, Kershaw, Moncada, Duggar, Manea, Belt, a Shane Bieber, Hollow, Fireworks, Christian Yelich. Yeah, it doesn't look nearly as good in the plain version as it does the hollow. Peraza, Disco Bubbles Green. There's Acuna with a problem. See that? Look at that. Wow, it's like something's like hot glue is what it feels like on there. That's pure crap. Mike Trout, that one looks good. Justin Williams rookie. I knew I spoke too soon trying to be nice about Panini. Bunch of doo-doo heads. Alright, Schwarber, Donaldson. Yeah, I just finished writing to them too, trying to get the missing autograph from one of my boxes of Score Football. Woof. Wasting my time all with them all the time and giving them all my money. Garrett Cole, blue. Arenado, Machines. Gonzalez, blue rookie. There's Reese Hoskins, Ramos, Simeon, and last pack. And then they come rolling through here with all these unglued packs, and ugh, at least I did get that hot box though, so I shut up. Correa, Reyes, Adam Jones, Lowe rookie, Strasburg, Suarez. Our last little boot hits are John Lester blue, Scorching Shohei Ohtani. I'd love to have that in hollow version. Dakota Hudson blue rookie. Anderson, Moustakas, and Almonte rookie. So that is it. The Wisdom, Reese Hoskins, and Baruki autographs, and a nice little stack of parallels and inserts, although nowhere near as many as the hot box, but still, this is still fun. It's Prizm. It is quintessential Prizm. It's what you buy it for. It's what you want out of it, and it delivers. There was definitely quality control with problems with this box. I guess I should be happy I wasn't missing any hits this time around, as I often am. But yeah, so now I'm torn. I mean, if you get a hot box though, it's lights out. That's fun. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Everybody take care of yourself. I'll be back with y'all again soon.